Welcome guys, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So today I am in Manchester, one place them call name Mile Gully. Yeah man, so normally I want to take you all to Nice River. But if you're coming from the Mile Gully area, normally you would have passed one church that them call name Duppy Church. So I'm gonna stop by and give you a view over Duppy Church side. So keep on watching guys. Big up on yourself and you know watch from. Yeah, and a brand you can big up on yourself. Always try to learn something about our beautiful island Jamaica. Yeah man, so just keep on watching guys. Welcome guys to Manchester Parish. We are now in Mile Gully. Mile Gully is located in Manchester Parish of the tropical island of Jamaica. So take a tour with your tour guide Fire Reid. So if you learn something about Jamaica, you can leave it in the comment section and tell me what you think about this town area and also Jamaica. One love, one heart. So my beautiful people, if you're traveling in the Mile Gully area, in the cottage area, just remember we have a police station. In case of any difficulties, you can chop a tire. Maybe you need some assistance. So we have a police station in the Mile Gully area. As you can see, Parish Court. Yeah man, so no Jamaica with Fire Reid. This is the right channel you're on. So keep on watching. I'm gonna take you all to Duppy Church. It is an old abandoned church. So keep on watching. So when you're in the Mile Gully, you also can take a tour to Appleton Estate in St. Elizabeth. When you're here in Mile Gully, you also can stop and get your grown product at this stall, like your pumpkin, yam, sweet potato and plantain. So let's go over to the Duppy Church side. This is where we're gonna see this old structure, as you can see, constructed of bricks, and you can see a lot of different types of grave. So thank you all for stopping by on this channel. So always leave something in the comment, let me know where you're watching from. Big up all the time. Thank you all for stopping by. Yeah man, as you can see the building make out bricks. Yeah man, them building here, you can see old fashioned. You can look upon it. Can see them here like some bricks. So this is the St. George's Anglican Church, about 5 minutes drive from the town center of Mile Gully. You might have to watch your steps, you know. A lot of people come here, so a lot of videos being shot right here, music videos. It is said to have been abandoned because the so-called duppies were creating havoc on the congregation. Most of the members moved to the nearby St. Simon's Anglican Church in Mile Gully. So this church is abandoned many years ago. Many years. No roof. So if you're traveling from Mile Gully to Comfort Hall District, the way to the nearby district of Comfort Hall. This building is located on the right, no other building near it. There was no door and the windows were broken. It has their looks, and without a doubt, its scoopy look could fit easy into one of those horror movies. Yeah man, me I tell us in the church. So you can see writing on the wall mark James Lewis of this parish. Graves all around the churchyard as well as tombstones, some dating back to the latter part of the 19th century. Inside the church was even more creepy. Yeah man, I tell us inside the church feel away creepy with all furnitures long gone and all ceiling wind. So you hear a lot of different type of noise. So you have to be very brave when you're entering into this structure. So I met a gentleman outside on the road. He was telling me a story saying many years ago, taxi drivers afraid to stop anywhere in this area at night. They even pick up speed when they are passing. People say sometime when they are passing, they hear like organ playing inside the church. Yeah man, so I was listening to the gentleman's story. Sometimes you have to listen, never can tell. So if anyone know this story, someone can leave in the comment section, because I know a lot of person travel this area, go to Comfort Hall, Balaclava, right back to Union. So leave in the comment section, let me know what I want, because I know we need to interact, or we need to know about our history and also about our beautiful island Jamaica. I don't know much history about this church, but you can Google it and you will see it. So them call this the Duppy Church. Yeah, you know, a lot of Jamaican history all about in the place. So right beside the church you have an old tank right here. Yeah man, so big up on yourself again, you know I watch from. If you learn something about our beautiful island Jamaica in Mile Gully, Manchester, you can leave it in the comment section. So I will take you all to one place them call named Nice River. Yeah, a lot of people don't know, so they have a river in Manchester. Very close to the border of, I think it's Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So we're gonna take you all to that river, so you can, if you come to Jamaica, no all can go enjoy the river there in Manchester. Boom, big up on yourself, you know. One love and one heart.